Ready? All right. So the Disciples Workshop. All right, so let's start with the square horse. The square horse fundamental practice stance, not used for fighting, but it is a fundamental. It's going to teach us other things, right? So we'll use Mr. John's here in the square horse. Square horse is heels out here. They have to both be out to where they're not parallel. Okay, this is something you will find that is unusual in our square horse. So we'll talk about it the other way. If your heels are in and you bend, go ahead and put your heels in. Okay, right. And if you drop lower, okay, then what's happening here is the knee is pushing. The pressure is pushing out on the knee joint. Yeah, you can feel that. Yeah. So now if that passes your toes, where right now it's just barely past your toes, you can feel you got a bad knee, right? Yeah. You can feel that that's not a good thing. No. Okay. So this is putting pressure in the knee joint, right, in an unnatural way that is unhealthy for this joint. Okay. In my opinion. Okay. And in your feeling. Right. Yes. In my feeling. Yeah. Because I feel. Okay. So you could do lots of, like, turn them way out and go wide, okay, unless it hurts too much. Okay, go ahead and step out wider. Okay, like here. Yeah, move your feet further. Oh, yeah, I know this is unusual for you, right? Yeah, no, that's... So you see this a lot here with that pointing out. You see that, you find people like this, and that's fine, that's the way they do it. But in my opinion here, that, and in your feeling, that's hurting your knee. Right. Okay? We're not going to do this. Okay, notice it's fairly easy to go low doing that, but again, it's not something.
I also feel like it wants to make me lean forward.
Yeah, for weird reason. Yeah, right. Okay, so that's what we're not going to do. So let's go ahead and go back to heels out. All right, push your knees out. So heels out means anything more than parallel. Okay, if they are 1 degree out from parallel, okay, which is that's 1 or 2 degrees out from parallel, fine. If they're 5 degrees out, fine. Okay, as long as their parallel is okay, just a little bit, slightly pigeon-toed. Okay. Okay. Then the knee is going to be pushed out to where it is then over the foot. Okay, not inward. So this should be looking like a house, not a teepee, right? Right. When this pushes out over the foot, the tendency is then for the ankle to collapse out. But we're not going to do that. We're going to push the big toe down into the ground, and that puts the pressure down into the ground flatly onto the foot. Yes. So you have some opposition here. You have the knee pushing out, but the foot opposing it, okay, together, right? Yes. Okay? Knees pushing outward, foot, which would tend to roll the foot up, the inward part of the foot up, but we're going to fight that and roll the inward part of the foot down. Now you can use your muscles to oppose each other more and more and really tense those muscles and do more and more of that, right? Which is great because what that does is puts pressure into the ground. Okay? Now, here's the thing about a square horse. Anytime you're in class and you're not doing anything, that's what you're doing. Yeah. Right. Okay? So when somebody's talking, when you're not doing anything, when you're watching somebody else do something else or whatever, that's what you're doing. Always. Right? That's what a disciple will do, right? Yes. Okay, so again, pushing out, pushing down. So now you're going to feel the ankle muscles here, the ankle muscles here. Yes. You're going to feel the thigh muscles here. Yeah. Okay? You're going to feel your glute keeping your butt underneath of you, right? Yes. Okay, you're going to feel your core of your back here, right? Which is keeping everything stable. Yeah. Okay. And probably a little in your lats, just kind of pulling everything back there, right? Yeah. Keeping that core together, maybe a little in the abs, but not a lot. Okay?